Hi, I'm Jason Lachmia from Simbithi Energy KZN. Today I'm with Daryl from Stavio Renewables, who recently just installed a 25 kilowatt Synergy system.
Good afternoon all. I'm here with Jason from Simbithi Energy. My name is Daryl Wakefield and I'm the Sales Director for Stavio Renewables. We're here at my client's house in Simbithi Eco Estate. Put a 25 kilowatt in and two 8 kilowatt batteries. Essentially, they have 9 air conditioners, 2 geysers, full pump and a reticulation pump on the system. 16 Enersol 560 watt panels connected to the system, and essentially the client is off the grid. I'd like to thank Simbithi Energy and SIG Energy for supplying us such a fantastic product.